My name is Leroy Huggins. I'm the district manager of the greater New Jersey, New York area. What I enjoy about my job is the freedom and also the ability to assist people solving their problems, whether it's from a air care issue to a drain maintenance issue, being able to uncover the actual root of the issue and then providing a solution brings me great gratification. My why is my kids. I'm a single dad, and this job gives me the opportunity to provide for them and also gives me the time to be able to coach in their sports, go to their basketball games, soccer games, and gymnastics events as well. So that's what really brings joy to me, so I give it all I got.
Run! Go, 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 go!
I'm from New Jersey originally. I enjoy working out. I enjoy giving back, more importantly. Since I can remember, I volunteer, and currently I focus on a handful of objectives throughout the year.
Not a close up on my face.
I'm getting your smiles in. Everyone likes your smile.
Currently, I'm doing a fundraiser for the Special Olympics. I like to partner with different organizations as well to give back to the community on a regular basis. Thanks for getting to know me, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out.